Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect COLMI P71 with your iPhone. So let's begin. Now as you can see, this is the COLMI P71 Smartwatch, and to connect this watch to your iPhone you will need this application called Pubu Wear. So make sure to download Pubu Wear from your app store, and after downloading you can just open this Pubu Wear application. After that you need to head to your device section over here. Now let me unbind my current device to show you to bind with the P71. Now as the device is unbound with my iPhone, I will now click on bind now over here. So after clicking bind now, you will be able to see that your device is found in this searching section. Now make sure to click connect over here, and now Bluetooth request for pairing, click on pair, and then you need to click on allow so that your watch can get your iPhone notifications. After that, let's head to watch section again, and as you can see here we have a P71 connected to our iPhone. Now if we go to the watch itself, you'll be able to see where is it. So in the watch, as you can see on top, there is the connection icon, which means that it's connected to a phone. So that's how you can connect your COLMI P71 to your iPhone. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.